I wanna show you how to add freeze video frame effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline, and I need to find the exact moment where you wanna to pause the action. For example guys, in my watercolorful video, I'm going to freeze the frame right at the moment where droplet hits the peak of the bounce. What we need to do is right click of the mouse on your video clip and select Insert the Frame Hold segment. You'll see that in automatic way your clip will be splitted. And one part of the frozen section has been added between two clips. From here you can also decide dragging the frozen frame to make it longer or shorter, it depends what you want. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.